Alright, now it's your time to try. Now you'll see that I have a piece of paper here. Let's go ahead and zoom in like we've been doing. Here are some examples for you. I want you to try to figure out what the slope, so the question says find the slope of each line or equation. So I just want to know the slope, but you don't know the slope until you have rearranged them. So what I want you to do is use that formula y equals mx plus b that we talked about in the last video and see if you can figure out the slope. Again, try the first 5 and we'll come back in a minute and see how you did. Pause the video, come back in a minute when you're done with the first 5. Alright, let's see how we did. I bet you did great on these. Go ahead and move that up there real quick. Let's do number 1. 3y equals 6x plus 4. Now remember, we're trying to get it into this form. So I need y equals. I don't have to do too much. There it is, y equals. But I'm supposed to have 1y. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 3 to get rid of that. Whatever I do on that side, I also have to do on this side. Each of them divides by 3. So y equals, that's what it's supposed to look like, something with x. I've got that. 6 divided by 3 is 2. The x is still there, so this reduces, becomes 2x, plus 4/3. That doesn't reduce very well. Question is, what's the slope? There it is right there. The answer is 2. Hopefully you got that one. I bet you did. Let's try the next one. We'll go ahead and do number 2. 3y plus 4x equals negative 4. Y equals y plus, okay, that's not right. So I got to move this to the other side. How did I know to do minus 4? That's a plus 4. Minus 4 gets rid of it. So I do it on both sides. So I have 3y equals minus 4x minus 4. Now why did I know the order? Because after the equal sign is something with x and then some kind of number. That b out there is always just a number of some sort. And so I'm almost there. It's supposed to be 1y. Well, that's 3y, so I divide by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 and divide by 3. So y equals negative 4/3 x minus 4/3. Slope, right there, negative 4/3. Let's try one more. Let's do number 3. 3x plus y plus 1 equals 0. So I need to keep the y right there, so I need to move this to the other side. I'll do it the same on both sides. I also have to move this number. So I have y equals, that's what it's supposed to look like. By the way, this time you'll notice there's no number, so I'm not going to have to divide. Minus 3x minus 1. What's my slope? Negative 3. You should have worked the first 5. If you saw something and you went, oh, I've got it now, go back and fix the ones that you tried, and then there's a whole bunch more on here that you can try. Again, if you try one and you're just not getting it, you do a couple with me and you're just not getting it, get with your math teacher and see if you can figure out what step you're missing so that you can do these. I know you're doing a great job. Keep working at it. You can do it. See you in the next video.